Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is second installment of Halloween week. And without delay, let's start with the video. As always, I am prepping my skin with some aloe vera gel. Well, this is the first and the most important step. Never apply your makeup directly on your face. Next, I am using some primer on my skin and let it get into your skin well. Now time for some foundation. Since I did not have any white face paint, I am using some foundation and I've mixed it with some white eyeshadow, and let's just blend it. You don't have to blend it perfectly, just put it all over your face and neck, and that's it. Now next, with the help of a black gel liner, let's make some shapes on our face. For skeleton look, we need to define shapes of face bones very well, starting with the eyes. Next, shape your nose and cheekbones, and then define teeth and jawline. Well, you don't have to follow this step in this order, but you can do it as you please. Now let's start filling these sections quickly. And by the way guys, if you have not seen the first Halloween episode, do watch it. The link is given in the description box below, and I'm sure it's going to creep you out. Next, I'm gonna draw some more lines on my face quickly. Taking some black eyeshadow to make the shapes even darker. Now with the help of same brush, I am going to blend the sharp lines around my mouth. I just felt like extending it to my neck. You can keep it as you want. Next, I'm taking some purple eyeshadow from the same palette, and I will lightly buff it around my sharp lines. For teeth, I am taking some white liquid liner, and with a thin brush, just apply it in the center. It would highlight the area around the mouth. You can use the same white liner on the outer area of your shapes just to highlight them. Let me quickly wear my wig and come back. Alright, so this is the final look. Spooky, isn't it? I totally love this makeup. It's actually simple yet looks so real. Let me know in the comment section how do you find this look. And by the way, when you have additional props, why not to use them? This is it for the Halloween episode 2. I will see you in Halloween episode 3. Till then, take care and love yourself.